Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Adam here, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are doing a walk-around startup and a drive video for you on a 1986 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS. This beautiful super sport has, the odometer reads 95,000 miles. This car was owned by two great people. One gentleman who restored the car. The car has been repainted. It is absolutely fabulous. The paint on this car is phenomenal. The body, the undercarriage, just absolutely gorgeous car. The next owner of the car, the older gentleman that we got the car from, his wife, this was his wife's car. She passed away, and he called us and we bought the car. It has a 350 horse engine in it. It was put in by Carl Performance out in Des Moines, Iowa. It's got 1,500 miles on the drivetrain, on the engine and the transmission. And when they did it the right way. They put a brand new AC compressor on it. They put a brand new alternator on it. They put a brand new starter on it. They put all new tensioners on it, a new serpentine system on it. Aluminum intake, headers, dual exhaust, Holley carburetor, all new plug wires, all new cap, rotor, all new ignition, BF Goodrich radial TA, raised white letters, got the Monte Carlo Super Sport wheels, bucket seats, factory console. Say 1,500 miles on the drivetrain. There's the RPO codes, trunk light works, jack instructions, the jack in the spare. The body lines are perfect. I think this car looks better than it did when it rolled off the assembly line. Check out the door gaps, panel fitment, just absolutely gorgeous. Power windows work, power locks work. Air conditioning blows ice cold. Beautiful burgundy interior. Back seats, very, very nice as well. Dash is in nice shape. It's not all busted up or cracked up. Door jambs are very nice. They did this car the right way. They jammed it when they did the car. The gentleman, just the receipts alone on just the engine and the accessories was like $10,500, $11,000 plus install. He probably had 15 grand in the drivetrain, just in the engine and all the accessories that he did to this car. Starts up and runs perfect. Drives great. I drove this car yesterday, just a few miles. Tilt wheel, cruise control, rear window defrost. Left turn, right turn, bright headlight indicator, radio. Air is ice cold. Four ways. You can see how nice it is. Look at the bottoms of the doors. I mean, that's just how nice the whole car is. Sounds great. License plate lights, tail lights, turn signals, flashers. Sounds great, runs great, looks great. Just an awesome car. All four headlights work. Car's all sorted out. Cowl induction hood. Even the hood fits really, really nice. Just a great car. This car's $34,900. Yeah, you can go out and find other Monte Carlos. You can go find ones that are decent cars for 25, 30 grand. But, you know, with all the performance upgrades and all the stuff that's been done to this car, no way you'd ever even think about building this car for that price. Tack works, all the gauges work. The indicator, the park, the Pindle works perfect. adjusted perfect. Got a shift kit in the tranny. Apologize for that bright sun. I like seeing that sun, but man, it's been hot out lately. You can probably tell how nice the paint is on it just looking over the hood. Car drives great, steering's tight. If I read the paper right, I think it's got like 373 gears in it. Give it a little more oomph. I can tell you one thing, it sure runs a hell of a lot better than a 5-liter 305 that they put in these cars. I may or may not have laid a few black marks out there from the LS5 Chevelle that I drove a little while ago. It's possible. So here she is. Beautiful 86 Monte Carlo. It's got metallic in it too. You can see just how beautiful that thing is. Look at that thing sparkle in the sun. One beautiful 86 Monte SS. When I was a kid, this is what I wanted. I wanted Monte Carlo Super Sports and IROC Z Camaros, and I couldn't afford one. But now guys like me, my age, guys in their 40s and 50s, they can afford to buy these cars now, and that's what makes these cars the next big collector car. I mean, these cars are hot. This thing runs good. It's got all kinds of power, fun to drive. Like I say, not like that stock 305 that came in these cars. This thing hauls ass. You look out over top of the hood, you can just see how nice the paint is. The bottoms of the doors, the bottom of the car, just a very, very nice quality car. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. KinionAuto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N Auto.com. Check out our website, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not already. And those of you who have, I appreciate you watching my videos. All your feedback's helpful. Thanks, everyone. Enjoy your evening.